guys, I'm Clavia Moore and welcome back to More Than Hair. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to put on your custom unit once you've received it from me. So before I show you guys how to put on your units, I'm going to show you what your unit will look like once you receive it. So here's a unit that I made for myself using my natural curly hair texture. I used 2 bundles of 14 inches natural curly and a 12 inch in the 4x4 closure, 4x4 lace closure in the matching natural curly texture. It's still a bit wet. I have not worn it since November, and so it's been sitting on my wig head in the salon, and I just had to just wet it, put a little bit of mousse in it to reactivate the curls and take out the frizz. And this is how it is. You can see how beautiful the curls still are even after sitting on a shelf on a wig head for months. So your wig will already come pre-styled. Your wig will come with the lace cut off if you choose to. And it will also come with an elastic band on the inside for a snug fit of the lace. And it will also come with a comb at the back, okay? 1 wig comb at the back and 1 elastic band for a really snug fit on your head, and will also help the lace lay flat. Because the units that I made are made specifically according to your measurements, the elastic band is optional and you do not need to have the elastic band on your wig if you don't need it. Some people find that it's too tight and it causes a tension headache, which is okay. Some of my wigs I wear with an elastic band and some of them I don't. What you're going to do to put your wig on, the first thing is make sure that your hair is braided or flat, completely compressed. And if you do have longer hair, I will suggest that you wear a wig cap, only because it helps to keep your hair out of the way and it's just easier for manageability. So what you're going to do to put your wig on, you are going to hold your wig away from you, just like this. Grab the elastic band, just like this. And you're gonna flip the elastic band over your head and secure it in the back, right at the bottom of your hairline. Then so it's gonna be hanging like this off of your head. Then you're going to take the back of the wig and you're going to flip it over your head and secure it at the back. Do not put the wig comb in yet. All right, now this step, you're going to adjust the wig, make sure the part is where you need it to be. Make sure it's pulled back enough or forward enough, however you want to wear it. If you want to wear it in front of your hairline, you can do that. If you want to wear it slightly behind your hairline, that's okay as well. Whatever feels comfortable to you, that's how you're going to adjust it. The wig comb is not in. My wig comb is not in. As you can see, this unit is pretty secure with the elastic band alone. You don't have to put the wig comb in. I do put it because some people prefer it as an extra security measure, just to have it. Once you've adjusted it and it's sitting where you want it to sit, you can go ahead and tuck that wig comb under the elastic band at the back of your head. If not, you can wear it like this just fine. It's on there pretty good. The wind is not gonna take it away. You can go ahead and style it how you want it and go, and that's it. That is how easy it is to put your unit on. No glue required, no tape required, just whatever comes with your wig, the elastic band and the wig comb. So I have a unit here that does not have the elastics on them. I cut the elastics. It was feeling too tight that day, so I cut it. But this is what it would look like. This one does not have the elastic, and it also does not have the comb at the back. I'm gonna show you how to put this on without the elastic. You're gonna, again, hold the wig away from you, just like this, and you're gonna put the lace on your forehead, and you're gonna flip the wig over your head. Okay, so watch. You raise your head up, you can adjust it. This wig fits really snug considering it does not have the added elastic band for extra support, and it also does not have the wig comb at the back. If I pull on it, you can see that it's still on there really good. Thank you guys for watching.